What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and tonight it's another installment of F-Boy Friday. We're out here at a new location in Houston, Texas. Hopefully we're gonna get some donuts and some burnouts. And no cops. We don't mess with cops. Let's go. Oh, he's got one with him. Bro, he's gonna flip. Bro, this kid's gonna flip. Jesus. What am I watching? Oh, Jesus Christ. What up? What's up, my boy? Bro, this dude's been about to flip all fucking night. Bro, what is going on? I love it. Front-wheel drive burnout day, apparently. I like those headlights. Yeah. 'Cause I got a 2 and 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 Hello, pole.
But also that gap wasn't that set. It was a good
Keep them coming, baby. The Subaru's dipping out that way. He's gone. Cops versus cars. Cars 1, cops 0, baby. Woo! All right, guys, we're at the last spot. This may not be the last spot. We're at the next spot. Let's get right into the action. Man, oh man,
where's Drew?
They're here already.
Holy shit, what's he doing?
Hey, wait, let's go see what they're doing.
He's running people over.
There's Drew. I want to see what this cop's doing. How we're throwing it back to Bicycle World. We haven't been here since that fight that got me my channel strike. So it's been about 3 months since we've been here. Oof. Hopefully we get some shenanigans. But it looks like the group is dwindling down to the final member. Dang, listen to that turbo.
Turbo.
Jeez.
It's the dude that overheated from last night.
A double burnout over there, jeez.
Oh, there we go.
Look, there's the lady from Planet Fitness is outside and she's not happy, folks. Don't know how much longer we'll be here. Here come the police.
Oh yeah. Where?
They're down there. Dang. What? Oh, he said you don't have to run. We're good, we're good. He said.
Hey, what's up? Where you going?
That's a cool cop.
Y'all trying to get the man fired.
He's coming to hang out with us. He just wants us to be safe. We're good. Bye. What a cool cop, dude. We need more cops like that out here. All right, fellas, that's it. That cop right there is a douche. And he told us this is private property when the cop literally like 2 minutes ago telling us this is public property. So I don't know who to believe, but I've been your host, Sinclair Photos. Go cop some Sinclair Photos merch. Link in the description. If you like the video, leave a like. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.